Not all mobility scooters are built the same, and if you want something that can handle dirt, gravel, grass, and even farm roads, you need an off-road machine. Today, I'm going to show you the 5 best off-road mobility scooters of 2025. And stick around, because at the end I'm going to reveal exclusive footage of what could be the newest and possibly the best off-road scooter of all time. My name's Sergio with Mobility Direct, and I've personally tested every scooter in this lineup in real-world conditions, from bumpy farmland to loose gravel to pouring rain and even at the beach. So I can give you honest insights as to which one might be the right fit for you. Later on in this video, I'll show you how you can get a free copy of our free product catalog if you want to learn more about our latest products. Alright, so let's get into it. Starting with number 1 on our list, the scooter I think is still king of the off-road is the Pride Mobility Baja Wrangler 2. I've personally owned this mobility scooter for over 3 years, and what makes it unique is its raw, unmatched power. This machine can handle almost anything, from rolling over logs to cruising on the beach to climbing the steepest inclines. It's fast and it's a lot of fun, especially when you add the optional weather canopy for those rainy season rides. And since it's backed by Pride Mobility, the most trusted name in the industry, it's my number 1 choice for riders who want the ultimate off-road experience. If you want to learn more about the Wrangler 2, we've got full in-depth review videos on our channel. I'll drop that link in the description. Number 2 on the list is the Afikim S4, and the big difference between this and the Wrangler is that the Afikim rides lower to the ground, and when you equip it with the optional extra wide tires, you get the smoothest ride out of any off-road mobility scooter I've ever tested. It has full suspension on the front and rear, just like the Wrangler, but because it's a wider scooter, it just feels like it floats over the terrain. It's almost like riding in a Cadillac or even gliding on a boat. What really sets Afikim apart is the build quality. These are some of the most durable scooters I've ever worked with. They even come with a 3-year in-home repair plan at no extra cost, which shows you how confident the manufacturer is in their scooters. I've owned my Afikim S4 HD for 5 years, and outside of charging the batteries, I've never had to repair a single thing. Honestly, this is the scooter I end up riding more often, especially when I'm riding with my wife and daughter. If you want to dive deeper into this model, we've got a ton of videos on it. Just go to our YouTube channel, the link will be in the description. Number 3 on the list is the Pride Mobility PX4, and what makes this scooter stand out is its modern advanced technology. Unlike every other mobility scooter out there, the PX4 doesn't have handlebars. It has a steering wheel with an advanced LCD display built right into it. It also features NFC Anti-Theft ignition, just like you'd see in a modern car, which makes it incredibly secure. On top of that, it has plenty of power, full suspension, a luxurious captain's seat, and DOT-approved headlights that are so bright, they're practically blinding. The PX4 is proof of how far technology has come in the industry, combining power, comfort, and cutting-edge features in a scooter that feels like the future of off-roading. Now don't worry, if you want to know more about the specs, stick around to the end of the video and I'll put a printer-friendly comparison chart on the screen that shows the specs for all 5 models side by side so you can easily compare them. Now number 4 on the list is the Pride Baja Bandit, and honestly, this is my favorite mobility scooter when I'm traveling. It blends portability and power in a sporty looking package that's downright awesome. The Bandit comes with a full bumper guard, full suspension, aggressive tires, and some of the brightest, most powerful headlights I've ever seen. What really makes it stand out is that it actually breaks down into 5 lightweight pieces so you can load it into the trunk of a small car when you're traveling. I've personally taken this thing everywhere: theme parks, nature trails, fishing trips, you name it. And I've documented the entire experience for each vacation I've brought it on. If you want to see the Bandit in action and get a feel for what it's really like to travel with it, click the link at the top right-hand corner to check out our travel videos. Now number 5 on the list is something special. The Golden Eagle All-Terrain, aka the Eagle AT prototype. We don't have official specs yet, but from what I've seen, this scooter looks like it's going to be very powerful, similar to the Wrangler 2. It has a very wide base, which usually means it's going to deliver a super smooth ride off-road. I was only able to test one briefly at a trade show where the manufacturers demo their prototypes, so I didn't really get a chance to torture test it, but we were lucky enough to get some exclusive video footage to share with you today. And knowing Golden Technologies, a brand that doesn't cut corners. I'm confident this scooter is being built to compete directly with the best off-road models on the market. It even has a built-in Bluetooth radio. For context, Golden's standard Eagle mobility scooter has been out for a few years now, and it's very comparable to the Afikim S4 and the Vita Monster X. So if you're interested in something available now, that's a great off-road option to consider. Personally, I'm super excited to see the bigger brother of the Eagle HD hit the market, and you can rest assured that as soon as it's released, we're doing a full review and torture test video right here on our channel. And by the way, we're headed to the next annual trade show later this month, where we're going to get more behind-the-scenes footage of new prototypes. So make sure you're subscribed and stay tuned for that notification. Now, before we wrap up, let me just take a second to tell you why so many riders choose Mobility Direct. We're not just an online business. We have brick and mortar locations with real technicians on site. We're licensed, accredited, and hold an A rating with the Better Business Bureau. On top of that, we offer tax-free sales and free shipping to make things simple and as affordable as possible. If you have any questions at all, give us a call with the number below, and you'll speak directly with a non-commissioned medical equipment expert. No sales pressure, just honest advice. We'd love to earn your business. Now stay tuned for that printer-friendly comparison chart showing all of the specs of the scooters we covered today side by side. You can print a copy of it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And remember, if you want a free catalog, all you have to do is give us a call or go to mobilitydirect.com to fill out the form. Again, I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct. I've been a technician here for over 10 years, and I absolutely love mobility scooters. If you want to ask me a question directly, leave it in the comments and I'll respond within one business day. Thank you so much for watching our video and supporting our channel. Until next time, have a great day.